I'm Jana Revedin. I am an architect to start with. I see the new scope of architects of our next generation as service to society, not anymore as productors for a consumerism understanding of the city and of buildings. So this is the reason why I joined this foundation, because I think the idea of having a new concept of transition, of energy in the world, of equality, of tolerance and of respect to the ones who are much less favorized as we are, is the aim of all our work and creation. So I think there's an enormous potential in the people of the world who will, in the next 20 years, for 3/4 of their sum, live in cities, most of them in informal, unplanned cities, in slums, let's say, that will have needed our help to develop in a better life quality. So I think this is the aim that also Rexel Foundation is pushing as its great aim of development. And I will try to help as an architect, as a researcher, as a professor of architecture. And I have a next generation standing behind me ready to understand architecture at the service of mankind. What I also can bring to the work of this foundation, which is enchanting and which is a great responsibility, is my own experience of having created a foundation for the development of city environments, of urban environments. So I think this enchantment and also this sense of great responsibility brings up a whole new quality of common life we have to design in a participative way, in a participatory way. And I think this experience can be fruitful for the great future that I desire for Rexel Foundation. To do even more in energy transition, I think we have just to broaden up the mind of people. They have to work together. We have to make them work for their own betterment of their own environment, and they have the potential. I always say to my students, the sustainable city is not a problem to be solved, but it is an endless potential of human creativity. So just to know some methods and tools how to get to this potential is the solution of nearly all energy problems, because energy, as we all know, gets never lost. It only transforms.